Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the topic search for the genetic material कि जो जेनेटिक मटेरियल क्या होगा, जेनेटिक मटेरियल डीएनए होगा या जेनेटिक मटेरियल प्रोटीन होगा. सो द सर्च फॉर द जेनेटिक मटेरियल. Firstly, the Frederick Mechner, he extracted some material from the pus cell and he called them as the nuclein, and the Mendel also gave the principle of inheritance, and he proved that there is something which is responsible for the transmission of the characters from parents to offsprings. Both the discoveries that were at the same time, but it takes so much time that the DNA, that is the genetic material, so there are so many scientists, they have done many experiments, and finally it was concluded that DNA is the genetic material. So the first step for the search for the genetic material, that was done by Frederick Griffith in 1928. This experiment, also known as transforming principle, So what he had done, he had taken one bacteria. That bacteria caused the pneumonia. So the name of the bacteria is Streptococcus pneumonia. So Streptococcus pneumonia, it is a bacteria which cause pneumonia. It is also known as pneumococcus. So firstly, what is the meaning of coccus? Coccus means the round or the spherical shape. So the bacteria, these are of different types, these are of the different shapes. The bacteria are useful for us also and harmful for us. So some bacteria cause the disease. Out of them, one bacteria, that is Streptococcus pneumonia. If they are, that is the single, then we can say coccus. If the two are together, then Diplococcus. And if these bacteria are in chain, then the name is Streptococcus. So this name comes from this term that these bacteria, they are occurring in the chain, so they are known as the Streptococcus. So this Streptococcus pneumonia cause pneumonia in case of the mammals. So there are the two strains of this bacteria. First is the R strain and second is S strain. R strain, that is non-virulent. Non-virulent means not causing disease, and it is producing the rough colony, means इसकी जो structure होगी जो, that is like this, that is rough. Then the S strain, that is the virulent. Virulent means कि ये क्या करेगी, disease cause करेगी, because they have the smooth colony, because outside the bacteria one covering is present. That covering is made up of polysaccharide. Polysaccharide means complex carbohydrate, and due to presence of this polysaccharide, these colonies looks smooth, and that polysaccharide covering protect it from the antibiotics, and so it is causing the disease. So there are the two strains, R the rough strain, that is the non-virulent, means not causing disease. Second is the S strain, that is the virulent and having the smooth outside the layer, and that is made up of polysaccharide. So there are the two strain, S strain and R strain. Now the steps of Griffith experiment. Firstly, Griffith injected the R strain into mice, and because R strain, that is the non-virulent, so the mice was live. There was no effect of pneumonia on mice, so mice was live. The second, he has taken the S strain plus mice, then because it is the virulent, so the mice die. And what he done in the third step, and that was very important step, he has taken R strain plus heat killed S strain. So now what is the heat killed S strain? Means if we kill the S strain bacteria by treating it with the high temperature, अगर हम हाई टेम्परेचर से ट्रीट कर देते हैं किसी भी बैक्टीरिया को, तो उसकी जो प्रॉपर्टी हैं वो डीनेचुरेट हो जाती हैं, बिकॉज ड्यू टू द हीट किल्ड द आउटर पॉलीसेक्राइड लेयर that is disturbed, and if it is disturbed, then what happen? Now the mice was live. अब जो माइस में निमोनिया नहीं हुआ वो क्या रहा? लाइव रहा. Not the S strain plus heat killed, only the heat killed S strain. If that is taken, then the mice was live. First step, R strain plus mice, that live because it is the non-virulent stage. Second, the S strain plus mice, so the mice die because the S strain, that is virulent. And third is the heat killed S strain. In the third step, heat killed, not the that R strain plus the heat killed S strain, only the heat killed S strain, so the mice was live. And the fourth, that was the important, what we have to take here, we have to take R strain. R strain कौन सा है? R strain जो है, that is the नॉन विरुलेंट, उससे क्या नहीं होगा? डिसीज नहीं होगी, निमोनिया जो है वो नहीं होगा. सो द आर स्ट्रेन प्लस हीट किल्ड एस स्ट्रेन, तो जो माइस है वो क्या हुआ? डाई. सो देयर वाज द कंक्लूजन फ्रॉम दिस स्टेप that something was present in the S strain that was transformed the R strain into S strain, कि because क्योंकि ये तो हीट किल्ड हो गया था, इसकी जो प्रॉपर्टी थी वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो गई थी, लेकिन कुछ इसमें से हीट किल्ड एस स्ट्रेन में से ट्रांसफ़र हुआ है, जिसने ट्रांसफ़र होके इस आर स्ट्रेन को एस में चेंज कर दिया. तो आर स्ट्रेन किस तरह से था? इस तरह से रफ, तो इसको किस में चेंज कर दिया? स्मूथ में, इस तरह से. और इसमें क्या आ गई? पॉलीसेक्राइड लेयर. एंड इफ दिस पॉलीसेक्राइड लेयर इज प्रेजेंट, देन नाउ इट चेंज इनटू एस स्ट्रेन, एंड ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द एस स्ट्रेन द माइस वाज डाई. सो लेट्स रिपीट all these steps. R strain means, so let's revise what Griffith has done. Griffith had taken one bacteria, that is the Streptococcus pneumonia. So this bacteria caused the pneumonia in case of the mammals. So there are the two strains, the rough strain and the smooth strain. So the rough strain produce the rough colonies, and that is non-virulent, that is not causing any disease. Second, the smooth have a mucus polysaccharide layer outside it, and which protect it from the antibiotics, and it is the virulent type. So when he injected the R strain into the mice, then the mice was live, because this rough strain have the means the rough colonies. Second, S strain have a polysaccharide layer, so the mice die because it is virulent. Then if the heat killed S strain, so if now this heat killed S strain is there, generally S strain was causing the disease, but if it is heat killed, now the property of S strain is destroyed, and now the mice was live. Then if R strain plus heat killed S strain, then the mice die, because there was the something that was transferred from the heat killed to the R strain, and that R strain changed into or transformed into S type, and so that it is known as the transforming principle. So it was the Griffith experiment. I hope you understood. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.